Hello YouTube, so today we've got a package. This is my new keyboard, yet another new keyboard, the Razer Huntsman Mini in White. Without further ado, let's unbox it. So the only reason why I even bought it, it was a spontaneous purchase. I was at the store trying it out, and I really like the feels of it, the switches and so on. And a 60% keyboard, never tried one of those, so here we go. It was even on sale for like $100. There we go. So about this keyboard is it's using a USB-C, and I already bought a USB-C wire, so it's going to fit perfectly with the setup. Alright, so you even get a wide wire for the USB-C. Look at that. So beautiful. Holy heck. Oh, no, wait. Hi. Focus. Look at that, yo. It's even nice. Yo. Even with the green Razer color inside. Alright, Razer. Nice. By the way, Razer. Thank you, Razer, again for sponsoring this chair. You should have given me this as well, man. Nah. Thank you. One thing at a time. I like this one, but I'm gonna keep the pink one. When I do the test, you can see the wire, what I have. So I'm not gonna use this one for now. I'm just gonna keep it, but very nice color to fit the keyboard. And now we have it here. So like 60%. What I am going to miss is like the arrows that you can use here, the home button, etc. How do you make a Control Alt Delete? And how do you make an Alt F4? I mean, there's so many things that I have to learn using a 60% keyboard. Alright, before I plug it in, let's do a sound test and the size comparison of my Ducky 1-2 Tuxedo TKL and the Razer Huntsman Mini White. Alright guys, so here you have it. My Ducky 1-2 is up here, and the 60% Razer Huntsman Mini. You can see the size comparison, and this is what I talked about, what I purchased a couple of weeks ago. I can just reuse this for this one. And this keyboard goes hand in hand with my Logitech X Superlight in white. Also, it goes hand in hand with this, but I just love the feels and the switches with these compared to this one. Now listen to the sound test of both of them. Could you hear the difference? I love how silent this keyboard is. Alright, so let's switch this one with my new Razer Huntsman. Just plug this one out. And here we go.